Hey, my lovely learners. Do you want to speak better English but don't know where to start? Or feel stuck learning alone? You're not alone. And today, I'm going to show you how to improve your English by yourself. No expensive classes, no boring textbooks, just real progress at your own pace. I'm Emily from Flutalk English, and if you're ready to take charge of your English journey, you're in the right place. Let's go. Step 1, set clear small goals. Don't just say, I want to be fluent. Say, I will learn 5 new words every day, or I will speak for 10 minutes daily. Tiny steps turn into big wins. Step 2, speak out loud. Every day. Yes, even if you're alone. Talk to yourself in English about your day, what you see, what you feel. Your mouth needs practice, not just your brain. Step 3, use free English resources, podcasts, YouTube videos, online subtitles. Surround yourself with real English input. Listen and repeat. Pause and shadow. Make it active learning. Step 4, keep a mistake notebook. Write down the words or grammar you get wrong. This helps your brain fix it faster. Mistakes aren't bad. They're your best teachers. Step 5, celebrate your progress. Notice your wins. Today, I understood a movie scene. This week, I learned 20 new words. Clap for yourself. You're doing something powerful. Remember, you don't need perfect English to be a powerful speaker. You just need consistent action. And you've already started by watching this video. So keep going and trust yourself. If this helped you, hit that like button. And subscribe for more motivation every week. And tell me in the comments, which step will you start with today? I'm cheering for you.